So my setup looks a little bit different today because I'm in my room. I'm in my room. Yeah, but today we're doing something different. I'm about to show y'all how I do my hair. I'm gonna be doing a little slick back. That's my signature thing. I love me a good pony. And I'm gonna do a skunk stripe tonight, but I'm scared to dye my hair, so we gonna fake it till we make it, baby. We gonna fake it till we make it with this hair wax. But yeah, get into it. So I have just washed my hair, but I'm gonna show y'all the products that I'm gonna be using. First of all, I'm sick as a bitch. I don't have no gel. It's nothing. We gonna make something shake though. I have this little one, but I don't know if this is gonna be enough. But I use wetline gel. I love this gel. This gel do wonders for my hair. I don't know who created it, but okay, so I'm definitely rapping in the rest of this video, so we're just gonna do a nice cute little voiceover. But right now I'm showing you guys the products that I'm using. This is the edge control that I use. I love She Is Bomb so much. Like, see, there I go dropping shit. Like, that's why I need to do this voiceover, because I can't be trusted. So I have my She Is Bomb edge control. Then I have some hair ties. I have some brushes that I use. Different brush, you know, my edge brush. And then I have some gloves. I also use Gorilla Snot, but I think that part got cut out of the video. I have the hair that I'm going to attach to my ponytail. This looks like a dead rat, but I'm going to revive it, so mind your business. Then I have my spray bottle. My spray bottle just has water in it right now. I have some combs, different combs for different things. This comb, mind your business, okay? This comb do what I need to do. I like using this comb because it helps get a sleeker look just because of the smaller teeth, but the teeth is missing. Baby need to go to the dentist, but yeah. And then I have my hair wax. I believe the color is technically called gold. I'll put it in my description. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, put my gloves on and get started. So this is my hair in its natural state, freshly washed. I start my ponytails by going through and combing my hair with a wide tooth comb. But then I realized my hair was just a little crunchy, so I had to re-wet it again just to make it a little bit more manageable. And then I just start slabbing gel. I mean slabbing gel. If I had more gel, baby, I would have slabbed some more on there. Just slabbing it. But look at that curl pattern. Yes, curl pattern. Come on. I love this gel so much. Like, it makes my hair so defined and so just waves be on swim, so they hate on him. But yes, I'm going in and just smoothing the gel across my hair, and then smoothing my hair down with my larger palm brush. That's the brush that I like to use first. I go through, smooth my hair, smooth my hair, smooth my hair. Nice, awesome, lovely. Then I start forming my ponytail. When I usually slick my hair back, the main issue of my hair, it'd be a hump right here. So I go in with my big comb and I just start to detangle from my ends to my roots. Yeah, what she said, what I said, what you said, what whoever said, that part. That's when my different size teeth comb comes into play, because it really helps that part of my hair get pushed down to my scalp, because it be giving Humpty Dumpty and I never want to get that. Okay, so when I get to this point, this is when I put my hair ties in and I go from there. So oh my gosh, bro, nothing blows me more than a freaking broken hair tie. Like, why would you break after I do this? Bitches don't even be strong, for real. I just can't hold no pressure. Okay. So this is the point where my Gorilla Snot comes into play, right in that my hairline area. That front part of my hair never sticks down the first time I put gel in it. It always want to be stubborn. So I use the Gorilla Snot as well as that comb with the missing teeth to get my hair really, really sleek and go in and get like all my flyaways and stuff like that. So right now I'm just putting on the finishing touches on my pony and making sure that back is good, because that back be wanting to curl up and cook motherfucking shrimp and grits in that kitchen and fry fish. But anyway, after I do that, smooth my back, I go ahead and put my like real deal ponytail holder in the back of my head, and then I braid my natural hair up and I put it in a bun so that way I can wrap the track around it. And then I just take my do-rag, wrap my hair up, and then I take a second scarf and put it on the hump of my head, that part that I said don't be laying down. I put it on that hump just to make sure it's flat Stanley, put my bonnet on, and I go about my day. Well, not about my day, I go about fixing the track. What I do to kind of bring back the curls is I take my spray bottle that I had earlier and I just put in some leave-in. So today I'm using the Curls Poppin' Pineapple leave-in. I can't remember the real name of it, but that's good enough. And I go ahead and I just spray it throughout the hair, and then I comb it through with my large tooth comb just to make sure I'm getting all the knots out of it. And I open the track, not all the way, but I open it just so I can get the kinks in from the inside out, and then flip it and do the same thing. And then yeah. Okay, so now it's time to get into the Skunk Stripe. First of all, let's not talk about the back of my head. Like I said, it does what it wants to do, but the hair that I put in there, it's gonna cover all that up. There is a little bit of white around my perimeter of my hair. I don't know where that's from, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of water on here just to get that off. It must be from my scarf. But now I'm going to start applying the hair wax to my head. So this part is kind of irksome just because I don't really, strategically measure it out. I just kind of eyeball everything. So I'm kind of placing my fingers and spacing out how big I want my skunk stripe to be, and then I'm just laying this hair wax on top of my hair. I do it this way so that I won't brush away the hair wax. I'll just do it once my hair is completely like set into the ponytail shape. That way I'm not messing up the hair dye, because you'll see later on when I start doing my edges and when I brush, it'll brush away the hair dye. So I do it just right on top after I brushed everything so I don't mess it up. Now I'm doing my favorite part, my edges. So what I do is I go ahead in with my Gorilla Snot first, and I kind of just start outlining where I want my edges to be and how I want them to swoop, and then I go in with the She Is Balm at the top to solidify them. I just started doing this little swoop on the side. I like her, she's cute. I can't really do too much of the dramatic edges past the swoops because I don't got no forehead for real, so my edges gonna be touching my eyebrows, and that's a no to the fuck never. I don't like that, so I do edges like this. So once I get my edges to the desired look that I'm going for, I go ahead and I tie my scarf up real quick just so I can let them sit, and then I go in and I start wrapping the hair around my ponytail. So I take the ends of the track and I get like the littlest piece of hair at the end, and I wrap that around my ponytail a couple of times, and then I start wrapping the track around my head all the way up until I get to the other end of the track. And then I do the same thing I did in the beginning, where I take a small piece and just wrap it around till I can't wrap it anymore. And then you'll just see me fluffing her out to my desired liking. And yes, look at when I take that scarf off, look, yes, yeah, that's it, look at her, look at the swoop, look at the, she's giving. Yes ma'am. Hope you guys love this video. Hope you guys love my hair. If you don't, you're a hater, because this style is cute, but it's something about the skunk stripe that just gives it some je ne sais quoi, you know what I'm saying? So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me and tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But I'm out of here.